All right, example 3. We're going to differentiate or take the derivative of x squared plus y cubed. I want to do a mixture here. Notice that the first thing that we're taking the derivative of is the same. So we don't have to multiply by dy dx because it's the derivative of x squared with respect to x. However, second thing is in terms of y, so we will have to use implicit differentiation. So, what you can do here is the way I'm showing this is you can just distribute your d dx to both of these things. That's going to be d dx of x squared, d dx of y cubed. It distributes nicely that way. It's the sum rule, I guess, for taking the derivative, and it applies certainly here. Done. And we know the derivative of x squared is 2x. No implicit needed because it's already in terms of itself. However, this is not, okay? This is an x, this is a y cubed. It's different. We know the derivative of y cubed is 3y squared using the power rule. All right, however, we then have to multiply by what? dy dx. And that's it for example 3, doing sum rule with implicit differentiation.